Today we'll be going through Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core 058011 October November 2016. Question number 1. Write this number in words. And we can see this is 6 zeros for million, so 30 million. So we can write 30 million. Millions or million. Then write, question number 2, write down the temperature which is 5 degrees Celsius below -2 degrees Celsius. So if we check from number line, this is 0 and this will be 5 on this side and 5 degrees Celsius, and -2 will be on this side. So from here this difference will be 5 and this will be 2. So total difference will be 5 plus 2, which is 7 degrees Celsius. So 7 degrees Celsius will be the temperature. Then question number 3, write this as a fraction of $5.6, giving your answer in its lowest terms. So we can write 0.70 divided by 5.60, and we can use calculator for that. So it will be 0.70 over 5.60, and this will be equal to 1/8. So we can write here 1/8. This will be our answer. Then write this number correct to 3 significant figures. So we know leading zeros are non-significant, and 4, 0, 1 up to this one, and next number is 9, so we will increase one number. So basically if I want to explain, 0.401907, so 1, 2, 3, these numbers are significant and want to remove from here. So this number 9 is more than 5, so we'll add 1 in this, so our answer will be 0.402. This will be up to 3 significant figures, so 0.402. Then 3 decimal places. Decimal places will be 0. This one we have to remove from here, so we can 3 decimal places will be 0. Basically we missed 1 0, so 0.0 over here. So it will be 0.0 like that. So 3 decimal places will be 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So we can write 0.040. This will be our up to 3 decimal places. So our answer will be this one for this part B. Now question number 5, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 7 centimeter, BC is equal to 4 centimeter, and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Using a ruler and compasses only, construct the triangle ABC. The side BC has been drawn for you. So side BC is 4 centimeter, which is already drawn. So we can write here this is 4 centimeter. And now we have to draw AB. AB is 7 centimeters. So we will measure 7 centimeters. Open this compass, 7 centimeter up to this one, and this will be the accurate one. So after taking accurately measurement, so we can put at B and make an arc like this one, and then we can take AC. So AC is 6 centimeters, so we will take 6 centimeters, and from here we can adjust its measurement up to 6. This one is 6 centimeters. So now we can check from here 6 centimeters. We can draw an arc over here. So we have to redraw basically this. This is a lesser arc, so we can readjust it like this one. So we have extended the arc. Now we got this point, which is A point. Hopefully you are understanding. This is our A point. We can join this A point with B like this, and with C also, and this will be the triangle which is required. Hopefully you understood each and everything. Now question number 6, write the following in order of size, smallest first. So ascending order basically required. So we will shift everything into decimal. So we'll check 7 divided by 12 is equal to 0.5. So 0.583. So up to 3 decimal places I'm taking, and this one root of 0.33, and this will be equal to 0.574. Okay, and 58%. So 58 over 100 will be equal to 0.58, and then 18 divided by 31, this will be equal to 0.581. Next number is already in decimal, 0.59. So the smallest number, if we compare these numbers, is this one, 0.574. So we can write root of 0.33. This is done. Now next number after 0.57 is 0.58, which is 58%. So we can write here 58%. Next number is 0.581, which is 18 over. So this is done. This is also done. 18 over 31. And next number will be this one, 7 by 12. So 7 by 12. This is done. Next last number will be, this will be the largest number. So this is ascending order we have arranged. Now question number 7, A is given, B is also provided. We have to work out 2A minus B. So 2 into A will be 5 and minus 6, and minus B will be this one. So minus 2 and 4. Now we will have to multiply this. So this will be equal to 10 and minus 12, 10 and minus 12, and minus this one, minus 2 and 4. Next step, we can subtract this. So this will be 10 minus minus 2 will be plus 2, and minus 12 and plus minus 4. This one minus 4. So this will be equal to 12 and minus 16. 12 and minus 16 will be our final answer over here. This is 2-mark question which we have done. Now question number 8, work out 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4, giving your answer as a fraction in its lowest term. Do not use calculator and show all your steps of working. So 2 over 3 minus 1 over 4. We can equalize the denominator. So this will be multiplied and divided by 4. And this side will be multiplied and divided by 3. And we can equalize. And this will be 8 by 12 minus this will be 3 by 12. And now after equalizing the denominator, we can subtract them. So 8 minus 3 will be 5. So answer will be 5 by 12, and this will be our final answer which we can provide over here, 5 over 12. Now question number 9. A circular pool has radius of 8. Circular pool has radius of 8 centimeter. Calculate the circumference of the pool. Circumference of a circle is equal to circumference is equal to 2 pi r. This will be the formula which we will be using, and we can replace radius as 8. So C will be equal to 2 pi into 8, and we can calculate. This will be 2 into pi and multiply by 8 will be equal to 16 pi, and 16 pi in decimal will be 50.265. 50.265, which is approximately equal to 50.3. So answer will be 50.3 meters. Now question number 10. 2 by 9 of an amount is 48. calculate the original amount. So we can suppose x is the original amount, and 2 by 9 of x is equal to 48, which is according to the condition of the question. Now we can shift this to this side, so x will be equal to 48 into 9 over 2, and this will be equal to 48 into 9 and divided by 2 will be equal to 216. So this will be 216 as answer over here. Question number 11. This chooses a letter at random from this word. So this is the word. Write down the letter she is most likely to choose. So we can check which number is repeating more times. E is coming more times, like, which is 2. So there are more chances of getting E. This is done. Then write down the probability that she chooses the letter R. R is, there is no letter R, so it will be having 0. We can write probability will be 0. So we can write 0. Next is write down the type of correlation there is between the number of liters of fuel used by a car and the distance traveled. So more fuel consumed will be covering more distance. So both are increasing simultaneously, so it will be positive correlation. So we can write here positive correlation. Then the test score of a student and their shoe size. This is no correlation, so we can write here 0. 0, or we can write no relation. Next, question number 13. 11 children attempt to solve a puzzle. This list shows the number of attempts each child made. These are the attempts. Write down the mode. Mode will be most occurring. If we check 8 is repeating more times, so we will write here mode, and find the median. Median will be the middle value, so we will be arranging them. So first number, minimum one is 1, so we have written 1. Then there is no 2, there is 3, so we can write here 3. 1 is done, 3 is done. Then 4, there is no 4, there are 2 5s, so 5 and 5, these 2 are also gone. And 6 is also there, so 6 and one more 6. And then there are 2 7, 1 and 2, so 7 and 7. And there are 3 8, 1 2 and 3, so we can write here 8 8 and 8. Now we have to find the median. Median will be the middle value. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 numbers. So we leave 1 2 3 4 5 from this side and 5 from this side, and 6 will be the middle number, so we can write the middle number is 6. Hopefully you understood this as well. Now question number 14. Calculate 4 by 5 of 90. So 4 over 5 of 90 we will multiply, and this will be 4 over 5 of 90 is equal to 72. So we can write here 72. Next we have to just calculate this decimal fraction also, 7.1 into 4.8, and this will be divided by 15.3 minus 9.62, and this will be resulting to 6. So this is 6 for this one. And the next C part, also calculator usage. So cube root of 4913 is equal to 17. So this will be 17. All are 1 mark question each, so no working required for 1 mark questions. Hopefully you understood this. Next, question number 15 is simultaneous equation. They have provided 2 equations. We can solve it by substitution method or by elimination method. So because x is having coefficient 1, so we can they are saying solve the simultaneous equation, you must show all your working. So we are at liberty whatever method we want to use. So x will be equal to 9 minus 2y. This is like this is our equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we can write equation 2 implies this one, and this value we can replace in equation 1. So this will be 2 into x, which is 9 minus 2y, and plus 3y is equal to 13. After replacing this value, now we will be simplifying. This will be 18 open bracket. So 18 minus 2 into 2 will be 4y, and plus 3y is equal to 13. Now this is like 18 minus y is equal to 13. 18 minus y is equal to 13. Now y we can shift to other side, and this will be equal to 18 minus 13, so which is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 is one answer. And now we can replace this y value in any of these two original equations to get value of x. I will replace in equation 2. So equation 2 implies x plus 2 into y will be 5 is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 minus 10. So x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 5. These are the two values which we have done. Now question number 16. This is also construction question. They are saying construct the locus of points inside the triangle. Condition is that they should be inside the triangle that are 5 centimeters from B. So we will open compass 5 centimeters. So this is 5 centimeters exactly. We will be opening up to 5 centimeters. After opening 5 centimeters, now we will place at B and make an arc within the triangle. So this arc is done. After doing this arc, after making this arc, next part is what? Construct the locus of points inside the triangle, again inside the triangle, that are equidistant from AB and BC. AB and BC. So we have to equidistant from AB and BC will be finding the angle bisector of this one. So angle bisector will be over here and from here. So after drawing this one, we can join this. So this will be passing through this one. So from here we can join, and dotted line we will draw up to this one, and solid line we can draw within this. So we have, these are like locus of the points inside the triangle that are equidistant from AB and BC. So this is done. Then shade the region. Shade the region, it should be inside the triangle and containing points that are more than 5 centimeters from B. So it should not be within this area, it should be this area, outside area, and nearer to AB than BC. Nearer to AB than BC. So we will be shading this portion. Hopefully you are understanding these construction questions also. Subscribe Maths TV and also press bell icon so that you will be getting notification for incoming videos. And also recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows, and introduce this channel to your respected teachers so that you will be getting notifications and your friends will also be getting benefit of that. Okay, so this is basically the portion which we were required to shade. Hopefully you understood this as well. Now question number 17. Question number 17 is drawing provided which is not to scale. Using trigonometry, calculate the value of x. This is x. We know the formula Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So this will be the Pythagoras theorem which we will be applying. And so x squared, we can write x squared is equal to, basically this is, we will have to find this side we don't have, so we will be taking opposite. We can take this as opposite over hypotenuse. So we can use that trigonometry, which is not Pythagoras theorem, which will be applying sine, cos, tan. So we can write here sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Basically this will be the formula which we will be applying, and this is sine of 37. So we can write here sine of 37 degrees is equal to 15 over x. So x will be equal to 15 over this one, we can shift to this side, so it will be sine of 37 degrees, and we can use calculator for that one, and this will be 15 over sine of 37 degrees, and this will be equal to 24.92. So 24.9 will be our answer. 24.9 will be our answer. So again, this is basically Pythagoras theorem, which is not used in this question. This is the trigonometric formula which we are using. Sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, and sine theta, this is opposite, this side is opposite, and this side is hypotenuse. So opposite over hypotenuse, 15 over x, and we have solved this question by this method. Question number 18, find the nth term of each sequence. So we will be checking the difference. So this will be 13 minus 7 will be 6, and again 19 minus 13 will be 6. So we are subtracting 6 basically. No, adding 6. So if we add 6, 6 plus 7 will be 13. So adding 6 like this. So for next term, we have to find the nth term of each term. So this will be 6n, and if we replace n by 1, so we will be getting 6, but our first term is 7, so we'll add 1. Now we can check for 1, 2, 3, for example 4, fourth term will be n is equal to 4, so 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1 will be 25. So this is working, so we can provide 6n plus 1. This will be our nth term for this sequence. And for the next sequence, this one we can write like this will be 3 squared, we can check for this one is 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square. Like this is 3 squared, and this is 4 squared, then 5 squared, then 6 squared, similarly 7 squared, and 3 we can write n plus 2 squared. So n, if n is equal to 1, this will be 1 plus 2 whole square will be 3 square will be this one. So this will be the formula. So we can write n plus 2 whole squared. Hopefully you understood this as well. Now question number 19. This angle is provided, x value we have to find. We know that this is straight line, and work out the value of x. So it will be 180 minus this angle 126 degrees, and 180 minus 126 will be resulting to 54. So this will be 54 degrees. Now again, not to scale, these two angles are provided, and this is why. We know that interior angles of a triangle are adding up to 180 degree. So they are saying work out the value of y, giving a reason for that. So this will be 180 minus 84 plus 35, and this will be equal to y. So we can calculate this. This will be 180 minus 84 plus 35, and this will be resulting to 61. So y is equal to 61. This will be equal to 61. so we can write 61 degrees. And the reason is that angles of a triangle, add up to 180 degrees. This will be the reason. 1 mark is for the reason, correct reason, and 1 mark is the correct angle, so you will have to write reason anyways. So now C part, drawing is again not to scale. In the diagram, PT is a tangent, so this is tangent in a to the circle at point P, tangent at point P. PW is the diameter, and the angle TPQ. TPQ is equal to 42. This one is 42. Find the angle WPQ. WPQ. This angle is WPQ. Basically, this angle will be required. This angle is required. WPQ. We know that tangent and radius. This is basically radius. If this is O, so OP is the radius. Tangent and radius are making an angle of 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This will be 90 minus 42, and 90 minus 42 we can provide over here, which is 90 minus 42 degrees, and this will be equal to 48 degrees. Our answer will be 48 degrees. The reason I told you that the radius and tangent are making an angle of 90 degree. Angle PWQ. We have this one as 48 and this one is 90 degree because this is a triangle in a semicircle, or angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So this is 90 degree, this is 48, and this will be equal to 42. This will be equal to 42 degrees, and we can write here 90 minus 48 degrees is equal to 42 degrees. So our answer will be 42 degrees. Hopefully you understood this. Now question number 20. Question number 20 is a grid is provided and they are asking us to write down the coordinates of the point A. Point A is over here. X coordinate will be 1, Y will be 4. So we can write 1 and 4 over here. Then plot the point 5 and minus 2. So 5 and minus 2 will be where? 5 is here and minus 2 will be this one. So this will be the point which is 5 and minus 2, and label this point as C. So this point will be C over here. Write on the mathematical name of the triangle ABC. So ABC triangle, if we join this triangle, so if we draw this triangle, will be over here, this one, and this will be joined over here, and this one we know this is all three sides are equal to each other, so this is the isosceles triangle, and we can write here name at the provided location. It is isosceles triangle. Then write AB as column vector. AB is this one, AB is this one. So from A to B, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4 because we are going to the left, and minus 1, 2, 3, 4. From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So minus 6 down, minus 4 and minus 6. So if you want, we can check with the triangle also, like for example, if we make a dotted triangle, broken line like this one to check the column vector, so we can check from here. This side is 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus 4 is this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So minus 6 is this side. So we can write in form of column vector minus 4 and minus 6. Then BD is minus 2 and 5. Write on the coordinates of D. So BD is minus 2 and 5. So minus 2 and 5 we can check from here. Minus 1, minus 2 and 5 will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 over here. This will be the location, and we have to write it as D, and coordinates of D will be minus 5 and 3, minus 5 and 3. This will be the coordinates, and we can write here minus 5 and 3. This will be our answer for this part. Now question number 21. Solve the equation 4x plus 3 is equal to 11. 3 we can shift to other side, so 4x is equal to 11 minus 3, which is equal to 8. And 4x is equal to 8. We can divide both sides by 4. This will be cancelled. This will be 2. So x is equal to 2 will be our answer. Then comes make x as subject. So we can make subject. Subject will be x we have to make. So we first will shift 2. So 4x square is equal to y plus 2. And then we can shift 4. So x square is equal to y plus 2 over 4 like this. Now we have to get rid of this square. And we can take a root on both sides like this. So this will be equal to x is equal to y plus 2 over 4. And over 4 we can write it as like this one, and this is equal to y plus 2 over, this will be 2 because under root 4 means 2, so we can write here answer as y plus 2 over 2. This will be our final answer for this. We are done with the paper, and I will be waiting for your valuable comments. Subscribe my TV, also press bell icon so that you will be getting notification for incoming videos, and recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows. Share video with them so that they can get benefit of it. Also recommend and introduce this channel to your respected teachers also. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.